So Huawei Mate 30 series is ready and it's all here now. Huawei has confirmed that the Mate 30 series will go officially at an event on September 19 in Germany city Munich. The official Huawei mobile Twitter handle has shared a short video revealing the Mate 30 series launch date on September 19, which falls in line with a previous report claiming that the Mate 30 series will go official in September. We can see a Huawei Mate 30 Pro unboxing video has been leaked on social media in a video which show its design and camera. So that's the Mate 30 Pro has a 4 camera and really beautiful design. The Chinese manufacturer launched their 4 smartphone in the Huawei Mate 30 lineup. The first smartphone is the Mate 30, second one is the Mate 30 Pro, the third one is the 30 Lite, and the fourth one is a really special design, the Porsche edition, which look really stunning in the picture you can see. The Huawei Mate 30 Pro has a tippet to pack a 40 megapixel primary camera with a variable aperture of 1.6, 1.4 and 1.5 inch sensor in our YYB pixel layout and cine lens feature. The 40 megapixel secondary camera with 1 and 1.8 inch aperture and a 120 degree ultra wide lens will also come with a cine lens support. It will be assisted by an 8 megapixel telephoto sensor that will bring 50x capability zoom, while the fourth one is tipped to be a periscope lens. The Huawei Mate 30 Pro has a stunning ultra super slow motion recording. The Mate 30 Pro will record a slow-mo video at astonishing 7680 frames per second. This is the world's first phone has a dual domain video noise reduction. And the Mate 30 Pro will offer 8 times slower video recording capability than the Note 10, which 960 fps, which is absolutely great and amazing. And Mate 30 Pro has 3 selfie cameras. Mate 30 Pro will feature a curved display and will sport a wide notch that will house the 3D face unlock sensor. The phone is tipped to feature in 6.71 inch OLED display with 9 Hz refresh rate and under display fingerprint, while the Huawei Mate 30 will come equipped with a flat panel. Moreover, the Huawei Mate 30 Pro may feature air gloss. At almost creation, the Mate 30 series will come with 5G on board, or at latest one version of the phone will come with the next generation internet reach. The brand new Kirin 990 has been confirmed to feature in the next phone from Huawei, and 5G is one of the big improvement alongside better performance for generic tasks. So base variants start at 12GB RAM and 512GB storage, and Huawei not to use their Hongman OS. Huawei Mate 30 series come with a Google Android 10, so we did not see the Hongman OS in Mate 30 series. This is shocked me because I'm thinking maybe Huawei launch their own OS in this Mate 30 lineup series. Mate 30 series has come with 4 color: black, white, purple and a green. Talking about the price is almost the Huawei Mate 30 is more than $1,200, but it's not confirmed yet. So finally, Huawei Mate 30 Pro 5G connectivity, dual 40MP main cameras, 7680 fps video editing, 40W fast charging, octa-core Kirin processor, waterfall display and more. So these all things makes this Chinese Mate 30 Pro makes most amazing phone in 2019. If you want more update about teach information, then please consider to subscribe, and as always I see you in the next video. Peace out.